Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu in Windows by using VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a program made by Oracle company. But firstly, subscribe to this channel and share a like for this video. Okay, go to Google Chrome, in search box type VirtualBox and click on download VirtualBox link. This webpage will appear. Choose one version to be agreed with your current operating system and download it. Thereafter, go back to Google Chrome, in search box type Ubuntu download and click on this link. This is the official website of Ubuntu. Click on download button. Now VirtualBox has downloaded, so let's create a virtual machine. In the first box, choose a descriptive name for the virtual machine, and in the second box choose destination for default. Type and version I think are both clear, so let's continue. Now select the amount of memory RAM. The amount of memory RAM should be between 1 and 4 gigabytes. Choose any amount you want. I'll keep it as it. Now check create a virtual hard disk and press create. Here let me explain these two options. In the first one, files will have increase in size, while in the second one they'll have fixed size. Choose one you like. Here type a name for the virtual hard disk and select its size, and press create button to begin creating the virtual machine. Click storage to load Ubuntu that we have downloaded before, then click start, and let's begin to install Ubuntu. Here choose a language that will be used by the virtual machine. As we can see, there are many languages. You can try Ubuntu before install it. I will install Ubuntu directly. Now choose your keyboard layout. You can type something in this box to try it out. Here choose either normal or minimal installation, and check if you want download updates while installing Ubuntu, and also check surely if you want install the third-party software. In this step, be careful. The first check button will erase completely your hardware and install Ubuntu instead. Check something else to create partition. Like this, we have created partition. So let's continue. Here, fill these boxes. Your name, your computer's name, pick a username, choose password and confirm password. And here choose if you want to login automatically or require a password to login. I will choose the second one and I will press continue. Good. Ubuntu is installing now. Installation is complete, so restart your computer now. Type your password and press on sign in button. Wow, it's a great job. Ubuntu is running now. That's all for this video. Have a great day.